Hello, I want to show you how to resolve Tapo camera red light issue or problem. When your Tapo camera displays two red lights and a green light, sometimes your image is static or blurry. The fix is very simple. First thing I want you to do is to locate the camera settings icon at the top right of your camera configuration screen. Click on it. Scroll down until you see Reboot Camera. Select it. At this point, you will see Auto Reboot or Reboot Camera. I want you to click Reboot Camera. This should reboot your camera. It takes like a minute. After this is done, your camera should be working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share.